Hello friends, in this video we intend to withdraw from our account using ERC20 Tether on the OctaFX broker. Once we log into the trading cabinet on the OctaFX broker, we select the desired network, which is ERC20 Tether, from the withdrawal section. And after entering the desired wallet address, you enter the amount. Please note that the minimum deposit amount is 10 Tether and the maximum deposit amount is 10 million Tether. After entering the amount and the PIN code that you need for the withdrawal, you click on the request option. And in this section, a page opens up for us that states the full withdrawal process from your account will take between 1 to 3 hours. Usually, it may take up to 3 business days. In this section, by clicking the Submit option, you confirm your request. By clicking the Go to Withdrawal History option, as you can see, you can view the details of your last transaction, which is the withdrawal from your account using ERC20 Tether. By clicking the Cancel View option, you can cancel your withdrawal request. Your transaction has been successfully completed, and the status of this transaction has changed from pending to complete. And as you can see, the amount has been deducted from your account. In future videos, we will show you how to sharpen using different methods step by step. Wishing you success and profitability.